Building a resume from a blank page is hard. Jobscan's new AI resume coach makes it easy. It interviews you one question at a time, so your resume actually says something worth saying. Here's how it works. You can start in 3 different ways: build from scratch, upload an existing resume, or import your profile from LinkedIn. We'll create a new resume. First, add your basic info, your name, title, contact details. Then tell it how many years of experience you have so the builder can shape its guidance to your career stage. When you come to work experience, you can add your experience yourself, the details, summary, and bullet points. Or you can use the coach. This is the heart of the new resume builder. Instead of a blank box, it interviews you about your work experience and writes a personalized resume. It asks for your dates and location, then digs into what you actually did. If you're not sure how to phrase something, just say so. The coach turns your plain language answer into a clear, quantified bullet. Every suggestion shows up as a card. You accept it, edit it, or ignore it. Nothing gets written in without your okay. If you're really stuck and you have no idea what to write about, let the coach prompt you about your responsibilities and experience to find highlights you should include on your resume. It will turn that conversation into professional bullet points. It's like having a career coach interview you and write as you talk. You can also see pro tips for each section to help you make the right decision. Next, skills. The builder recommends skills pulled straight from your experience, and you can add your own. Turn on skill levels if you want to show proficiency, or leave it off for a simpler list. You can group skills into your own categories if that fits your resume better. Now, the Style tab is available the whole way through, not just at the start. Here you can adjust margins and spacing, change your color palette, or swap templates at any point without losing your progress. Now let's fill in the education details. The coach is still here, prompting for anything worth highlighting, like relevant coursework or honors. If you have questions, just ask, and it will give you advice based on best practices and your unique experience. Need more than the standard sections? You can add certifications, awards, volunteer work, or projects, whatever is relevant, using that same guided, one question at a time approach with pro tips for every step. Lastly, your resume summary. The coach already knows everything you've told it, so it can draft one that pulls your strongest points together. Or hit Quick Generate for an instant first draft you can edit from there. Before you finish, do one final check. Since you're in control, you can drag sections into whatever order tells your story best. Nothing here is locked in place. And you can edit any section before finalizing the resume. Once your base resume is built, you can download it as a PDF or Word document. Then click on Job Match to see openings that fit your experience. When you're ready to apply, send it straight to the AI optimizer to tailor it for that specific job. Build it your way, then optimize it for the job. Every resume you build lives in your resume manager. You can download any resume anytime, or go back into the editor and make changes. Jobscan's new AI resume builder guides you every step of the way with a coach that asks the right questions. Give it a try today at jobscan.co.